Fix Forza Horizon 6 not installing error code 0x87e0000f on Xbox app Microsoft Store PC. Number 1. Restart your PC, close Xbox app in Microsoft Store, restart your computer, open Xbox app again, retry installing the game. Number 2. Check internet connection. Make sure internet is stable. Restart your router, disable VPN or proxy, retry the download. 3. Run Xbox app as administrator. Close Xbox app completely. Right-click Xbox app, select Run as administrator, start installation again. 4. Reset Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows R, type WS reset, press Enter. Wait for Microsoft Store to reopen. Retry installation. 5. Repair Xbox app. Open Settings. Go to Apps, Installed Apps. Find Xbox app. Open Advanced Options. Click Repair. Restart the app. 6. Repair Microsoft Store. Open Settings. Go to Apps. Select Microsoft Store. Open Advanced Options. Click Repair. Relaunch Store. Now, number 7. Reinstall gaming services. Open PowerShell as administrator. Run get x package Microsoft.gaming services. Remove app x package -losers. Restart your PC. Reinstall gaming services from Microsoft Store. Number 8. Check Windows Updates. Open Settings. Go to Windows Update. Click for updates. Install all updates. Restart PC. National Shard 9. Free up storage space. Open Settings Storage. Delete unnecessary files apps. Make enough free space for the game. Retry installation. Number 10. Reinstall Xbox app. Uninstall Xbox app completely. Restart your computer. Download Xbox app again from Microsoft Store. Install and retry downloading Forza Horizon 6.